Today we have bought an amazing superfood for all of you. Well, I am talking about horse gram, also known as Gahat in Uttarakhand. And this has some amazing properties to heal your body in so many ways. Well, today I'm making Gahat ke paranthe or Kulath Dal ke paranthe. So let's get started. So let me introduce you to horse gram, as we say Kulath or Gahat also. So this is how it looks. It'll be better if we soak this overnight and boil it with some salt. So as you can see, we have soaked the dal overnight and we cooked it to 4 to 5 whistles in a pressure cooker. We crushed this boiled dal, but you can make paranthas as it is also. The choice is completely yours. So I'm back with my tool again. As you can see, the texture is so creamy and we have already made fine paste of the boiled Kulath dal. But you know what? It definitely reminds me back home because Kulath dal has been an integral part of my childhood memories. Now it's time to add spices to our Kulath dal mixture. Some salt according to the taste, some jeera, crushed coriander seed powder and some chili powder. We will be adding fine chopped green chilies, lots and lots of fresh coriander leaves. You have to mix it thoroughly. Well, our mixture is ready and it's time to make paranthas. We are going to start rolling the parantha, and to make the perfect parantha, you need to evenly create fine edges all over it. Well, to make your paranthas soft and fluffy, it is always good to add a little bit ghee on the dough before adding the stuffing. And yes, do give it a try and let me know in comments how was it. It's time to add the mixture. We are going to close the pocket. Whatever is the extra dough, we are going to remove it. It's time to dust some atta like this. And that's how we are going to roll Kulath Dal Paranthas. Well, these paranthas are drool worthy, and you know the beauty of this? You can have it any time of the day. Yes, any time of the day. Now it's time to put the parantha on the tawa and fry it till golden brown from both the sides. It's time to put some ghee on both sides. The ones who don't like to have ghee can use any other oil. This cannot be compared to any pizza or burgers. Trust me when I say that. Your Kulath Dal or horse gram paranthas are finally ready to relish. Well, the beauty is that you can have it with anything and any time of the day. I'm going to enjoy this with kathal pickle and some yogurt, and of course some ghee on top of the paranthas. Well, this is Chef Sherie. You are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried, signing off for now.